Hey friends, want to become an AliExpress ninja? Of course you do. Today we're diving into the world of product IDs. These little guys are like secret codes that unlock a treasure chest of awesome. Think of it like this. You're searching for something specific, like those super cool LED shoes you saw. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can use the product ID to find them instantly. Bam! That's the power of knowing your IDs. But wait, there's more. Product IDs can help you compare prices, track shipping, and even find similar products. It's like having a superpower for online shopping. Ready to unlock your inner AliExpress Pro? Let's do this. Finding product IDs is easier than you think. Seriously, it's a piece of cake. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Fire up AliExpress and find the product page you're interested in. You know, the one with all the juicy details and pictures. Step 2. Look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize it. Step 3. Focus on the part of the URL after product slash. This is where the magic happens. You'll see something like 4001234567890. Temel. That long number before. Temel, that's your product ID. Step 4, copy that number. Boom! You've got the product ID. Now you can use it to unlock all sorts of cool features on AliExpress. Wasn't that easy? Now you're one step closer to becoming an AliExpress shopping ninja. Let's take a break from the tech stuff and talk numbers. AliExpress isn't just big, it's huge. We're talking massive marketplace, people. Get this, AliExpress has over 100 million products. That's more products than you could ever browse in a lifetime. And with over 150 million active buyers, you know you're in good company. But here's the kicker. AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions worldwide. That means no matter where you are, you can get your hands on those awesome deals. See? I told you AliExpress was a big deal. Now let's get back to unleashing the power of product IDs. Section 4, Product ID Power, unlock the benefits. We've got the how, now let's talk about the why. Why are product IDs such a game changer for AliExpress shoppers? Let me break it down for you. First up, lightning fast searching. Paste that ID into the search bar, and boom, you're taken directly to your desired product. No more endless scrolling or getting lost in a sea of similar items. Next, price tracking made easy. Use a price tracker website or app, input the product ID, and watch for those sweet discounts. You'll be snagging deals like a pro in no time. And don't forget about finding similar products. Some websites and browser extensions use product IDs to show you similar items, often at even better prices. See, product IDs are your secret weapon for conquering AliExpress. Section 5, wrap up, ready, set, shop. So there you have it, folks. We've demystified the world of AliExpress product IDs. Now you know how to find them, and more importantly, why they're so darn useful. Remember, finding the product ID is as easy as checking the URL. Use it to search quickly, track prices, and discover similar products. It's like having a VIP pass to the best deals on AliExpress. Now go forth and conquer the world of AliExpress, my friend. Happy shopping!